Microsoft just released Windows 11 version 26H1, and this update is completely different from anything you've seen before. Unlike regular Windows updates that everyone can download, this version will only be available on specific brand new devices launching in early 2026. So what makes this release so special, and should you care about it? Let's break it down. Here's the situation. Microsoft is preparing for a new generation of computer processors, specifically the Qualcomm Snapdragon X2 chips. These processors are based on ARM architecture, which is different from the traditional Intel and AMD processors most of us use. The problem is that these new chips need special operating system support to work properly. To make things more complicated, Windows 11 version 26H1 is built on a completely different Windows core platform than the current versions 24H2 and 25H2. This means devices running version 26H1 won't be able to update to the next major Windows release coming in the second half of 2026. They'll have to wait for a future update, likely version 27H2 in 2027. Microsoft's solution is version 26H1, a specialized release designed specifically for new ARM-based devices. This version will only come pre-installed on select new computers featuring Qualcomm Snapdragon X2 processors when they launch in early 2026. You won't be able to download or install it on your existing computer, no matter how new it is. What's included in this update? Despite being exclusive to new devices, version 26H1 will still receive all the regular monthly security updates and new features, just like versions 24H2 and 25H2. Here are the key improvements in this release. Bug fixes. Fixed a graphics issue that caused some systems to crash with a blue screen error related to certain GPU configurations. Resolved a problem preventing some devices from connecting to WPA3-Personal Wi-Fi networks. Fixed missing BitLocker tests in the Windows hardware compatibility program. Fixed an issue where trusted installer could stop responding and prevent Windows from starting. Important changes. Starting with version 26H1, .NET Framework 3.5 is no longer included as an optional Windows feature. If you need it, you'll have to download and install it separately using the standalone installer. New features. Version 26H1 introduces several exciting new features. Semantic AI Search, an intelligent search system that understands what you're looking for, not just exact keywords. New Cloud File Toggle. Better control over your cloud-stored files. Larger FAT32 partition size. You can now create bigger FAT32 drives. Redesigned storage settings. A cleaner, more user-friendly interface for managing your storage. Safe mode improvements. You can now enter safe mode without affecting Windows system preparation. Enhanced installation safety. New confirmation dialogues when formatting or deleting partitions during Windows installation, reducing the risk of accidentally deleting important data. Should you wait for this version? The short answer is no, not unless you're specifically planning to buy a new device with a Snapdragon X2 processor. Microsoft has made it clear that organizations and regular users should continue purchasing and deploying devices running versions 24H2 and 25H2 without any concerns. Version 26H1 doesn't offer any special features that existing users are missing out on. It's simply optimized for new hardware. For most people, the next major update to pay attention to will be version 26H2, which is scheduled for release in the fall of 2026 and will be available to all compatible Windows 11 devices. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.